Here's how to scrape the Instagram followers of any creator without any coding knowledge. For this, we will use the Instagram scraper from nifty.codes. Just download it for your browser. Now, go to the followers list of any creator, then press on the extension. Then press Extract Followers. As you can see, we extracted the followers in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the extension. Make sure this pop-up is open. Then press on the extension again. Now press Customize Fields. In here, you can customize the fields however you want. You can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And finally, you can also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Now press Export. And there you go. Here's our new customized data.